When you're dying, at least four of the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are present. When you're dying, at least four of the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are present. Number one, the human beings, be they your family, your loved ones, or other people, they are present. This is number one. Number two, Malakul Maut, the angel of death is present. Number three, the angels who assist the Malakul Maut, they are also present. And number four, the shayateen, the devils, the shaitans are also present. These four from the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala are present when you die. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, وَهُوَ الْقَاهِرُ فَوْقَ عِبَادِهِ وَيُرْسِلُ عَلَيْكُمْ حَفَظَةً حَتَّى إِذَا جَاءَ أَحَدَكُمُ الْمَوْتُ تَوَفَّتْهُ رُسُلُنَا وَهُمْ لَا يُفَرِّطُونَ. So the angels of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are present. The Malakul Maut is also present. قُلْ يَتَوَفَّاكُمْ مَلَكُ الْمَوْتِ الَّذِي وُكِّلَ بِكُمْ. The Malakul Maut is the one who takes your soul. A question might arise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Allahu yatawaffa al-anfus. Allah is the one who takes the soul. He also says, قُلْ يَتَوَفَّاكُمْ مَلَكُ الْمَوْتِ. He says that the angel of death is the one who takes the soul, is the one who kills you. He also says, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ تَوَفَّاهُمُ الْمَلَائِكَةُ ظَالِمِي أَنفُسِهِمْ. He says the angels of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes the soul. Is there a contradiction in the Quran? Kalla. There is never a contradiction in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala yatawaffa al-anfus. He's the one who commands for the soul to be taken. قُلْ يَتَوَفَّاكُمْ مَلَكُ الْمَوْتِ. The Malakul Maut is the one who takes your soul, and he's assisted by angels. So Ikhwani, these are some of the creation that attend when you die.